If you're looking for a lens that can handle everything from wide shots to close-up portraits, this Tamron 35-150mm is a great option. It's best for weddings and events. It can easily go from group shots to close-ups without changing lenses. You can also use it for portraits and travel photography. This one lens works great for landscapes, street scenes, and people. The zoom range of 35-150mm covers everything from wide to telephoto with ease. And the fast constant aperture f2 to 2.8 is excellent for low light and depth of field control. This lens, however, is on the heavier side, so it may not be ideal for long handheld shoots. Get this lens if you want pro level performance, a fast aperture, and a super useful zoom range all in one. Is perfect for portrait shooters, wedding photographers, for hybrid creators, or anyone who doesn't want to keep switching lenses, and is absolutely worth considering.